Could Donald Trump pardon Sam Bankman-Fried, the FTX cryptocurrency scammer? Well, I think it could be possible for a couple of reasons. The first one being that Sam Bankman-Fried's parents have met with Donald Trump about getting their son a pardon. But number two, and the one holding maybe even more weight, is that Danielle Sassoon, the U.S. attorney under Donald Trump, who resigned after the Department of Justice moved to drop charge against Eric Adams, prosecuted Sam Bankman-Fried. And her resignation letter was pretty scathing. It did not paint the Trump administration's Department of Justice in a very good light. And Donald Trump is a transactional person. If you praise him, he will like you. If you come after him and criticize him, he will not like you. And if he wants to get at Sassoon, pardoning Sam Bankman-Fried could be a way. And this is not just me speculating this, but other people, including legal analysts like Sarah Isgur, have said this could be possible.